I was gonna put the water in the freezer.
Hey, amigo!
It's really cold, but I don't want to get you sick.
Hey, you make sure that thing's all 5 gallons. I don't want this 4.2.
Okay, you ready? Okay, so I accept this challenge on behalf of my brother-in-law, Regan Carter, who heroically battled ALS for 4 years. My niece nominated me for the Ice Bucket Challenge. I'm the executive chef at Delicatessen. So here we go, let's do this. But slowly! Let's be fast! Okay, you had your fun, so I'm challenging Nick Doty and the Elephants Uptown staff for the Ice Bucket Challenge. Either donate $20 or get the Ice Bucket Challenge or do both. Thank you very much.